Hello student, welcome you in the online classes of GIS, and we hope that you all are happy and healthy. So today we will teach you chapter 11, last chapter of B High of 9th standard. The title of the chapter, If I Were You, and this is the story of Gerard. Thank you. So we talked about Gerard and the next character, that is Intruder. So we will let you know about Intruder and what type of character it is. So Intruder actually a crooked or a criminal type of character, and he wanted to take identification of Gerard and he wanted to be Gerard. Means that's why the chapter name If I Were You. So he wanted to take the identity of Gerard, means by killing Gerard, he wanted to be Gerard. And now story begins. One day Intruder entered in the cottage of Gerard. Gerard was somewhere, and he entered and then realizes somebody was sitting already there, and he had a gun in his hand. And they have a conversation that how you entered and why you entered and what you wanted, all the things they discuss. This chapter is actually in a dialogue basis. It is on dialogue. So Intruder and Gerard have a conversation and they realizes each other, and now Gerard came to know that Intruder wanted my identification. After killing me, he wanted to become Gerard. And now as he was a playwright, as he was a writer, he had good idea, he cooked a story, he fabricated a story in a very nice manner and realized, he made realization to Gerard, to Intruder, that he means Gerard actually was also a criminal and we can say more dangerous than Intruder. And he told him that one day I also mistakenly I killed a cop, and that's why police actually behind me. And if you took my identification, you would be in trouble because police will definitely hang you. And as an Intruder, you will be, as your own identification or as your own, you will might be saved yourself. But if you took my identification, you would definitely be in trouble. And in this manner, now Intruder realized, and now he told him a plan that if you realized me, if you believed me, if you trusted me, come with me. We will both enjoy, we will both moved from this place safely. And now Intruder started believing on that story told by the Gerard. Gerard ने जो कहानी उसको सुनाई कि अगर तुम मेरी आइडेंटिफिकेशन ले लोगे, अगर तुम मुझे मारकर तुम गेरार्ड बन जाओगे, तो तुम डेफिनेटली नहीं बच पाओगे, पुलिस तुम्हें पकड़ लेगी, क्योंकि मैं तुमसे बड़ा क्रिमिनल हूं, मैंने भी बहुत ज्यादा क्राइम किए हैं, मैंने एक पर्सन को मार दिया है. इन दिस मैनर ही टोल्ड अ स्टोरी. इंट्रूडर अब रेडी हो गया, बिलीव कर रहा है उसको. एंड नाउ he told, he opened his, here Gerard opened a box, a suitcase, a briefcase, and in that briefcase he had mustache, he had wig, नकली बाल, मूछें, बियर्ड, उसके पास सब कुछ था, जो कि वो काम करता था थिएटर में. अब उसने रियलाइज किया, लुक आई एम चेंजिंग माई गेटअप, आज टू नाइट ही आज निकल जाऊंगा, टू नाइट आई विल मूव, आज चला जाऊंगा मैं, और तुम मेरा साथ दो, मेरे साथ आओ, मेरे गैंग में शामिल हो जाओ, तो तुम भी सेफ हो जाओगे, पुलिस तुम्हें नहीं पकड़ पाएगी. एज आई एम चेंजिंग माई गेटअप, तो मैं तुम्हारी हेल्प करूंगा. अच्छा, एक्चुअल में वो जो बॉक्स था वो तो था उसके फ्रेंड के लिए, थिएटर के लिए लेके जा रहा था वो, लेकिन यहाँ पे उसने बहुत अच्छी तरह डिजाइन किया, अपनी स्टोरी को एकदम रियलिस्टिक बना दिया. In this manner, he he actually befooled. He befooled intruder, and he trapped him. Trapped, उलझा लेना, फंसा लेना. Trapped him in his story. A fabricated story, बनावटी कहानी, बुनी हुई कहानी, fabricated story. And now by here and there he making, and then he closed and pushed intruder into a almirah and locked it and snatched his pistol. And now he called his friend. That called police, and he rang police and called him there, and police arrested intruder. So in this manner, wittily, cunningly, and smartly, Gerard actually arrested, or we can say caught the intruder in his story, which was fake story, which was not real story. So इसमें एक करेक्टर दिखाया गया गेरार्ड, जो कि बहुत कनिंग, बहुत स्मार्ट करेक्टर है, और how nicely he represented his story, and intruder understood and had faith on him, and he was caught nicely. So how nicely he caught, this is the story. And we hope that you all are enjoying your health, you all are keeping yourself fit. So keep yourself fit, be healthy, do appreciate every day our video. Thank you.